by the Minister of Health and Social Services, Dr. Kalumbi Shangula. Very good afternoon to you, Doctor, and thank you so much for joining us.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Brilliant. Please go ahead and give us the update, sir.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, fellow listeners. I have both good and bad news. It is the first time in a while that we have recorded a single-digit positive cases. Namibia has recorded 3 new cases over the past 24 hours. All are Namibians and are all from Walvis Bay Erongo regions. 2 are males and 1 is female. The youngest one is 21 years old and the oldest one is 44 years old. We are busy now with contact tracing. Secondly, we have registered 1 recovery. Case number 38 has recovered fully and discharged home. One of the cases we are reporting today is a 44-year-old male who passed away on the 11th July 2020 at home in Walvis Bay. He was a non-diabetic patient. He visited the Walvis Bay State Hospital on the 7th of July, where his blood sugar was found to be elevated and it was stabilized. On the 10th of July, he visited a private doctor, was treated as an outpatient and sent home. A specimen was collected from the body on the 11th of July 2020 when it was brought to the hospital mortuary. The result came out positive yesterday evening, and therefore he is classified as a COVID-19 related death, which then brings the number of COVID-19 deaths in Namibia to 2. We express our deepest condolences to the bereaved family. A total of 741 results were received from NIP, of which 718 are new cases, are new samples. 1 known case are recorded as second negative and has therefore recovered, and that is the one which I mentioned earlier. In summary, so far we have now 864 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Namibia, and yesterday 3 new confirmed cases were recorded. We have now 29 recoveries. Active cases stand at 833, and the death now stand at 2. The total sample tested stand at 15,439. Active contacts 1,154. Cumulative number of people in quarantine stood at 4,445, of whom 3,767 have been discharged. We are remaining with 678 individuals in our quarantine facilities throughout the country. I thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was Dr. Kalumbi Shangula giving us an update on the latest figure in regards to the COVID-19 situation in the country, saying the last 24 hours only 3 new cases were recorded, and they also mentioned 1 recovery, and also unfortunately now Namibia has 2 COVID-19 related deaths that have been recorded so far.